Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will to show you the way how you can get the inspiration of color combination on a Canva so it can help your design. Open your Canva application on your iPhone, and the next thing you need to do is just go open the project here. So I already prepared the project, I already got this project, and I prepared it for a little bit too long. And the next, if you are stuck about the color of your design here, just tap into this design and tap into the styles, and that could be a color combination inspiration that provided by the Canva application. So you just need to tap into try it now, and that could be like a lot of color combination that you can pick here. So you just need to find one of the colors set that you want to get. They could be a combination color palettes and so on. You just need to tap into SEAL to explore all of the color and tap into one of the selected color that you want. And right after you're done, you will got this type of color. And if you want to shuffle the color combination, you just need to find the palette that you pick, and then just tap it again, and they could be changing for several times. And right after you got the one that match with your taste here, you just need to go tap into the blank area, and then you're done. So you already got this color combination on your phone, and then you just need to tap into this to save it into your mobile phone. So that's for today's tutorial. Super easy and simple. Hopefully you understand, and don't forget to turn on the notification section for upcoming video and subscribe into the channel about so that you will get the newest tutorial of any application on your phone. Thank you for watching, and let's meet again into other video.